children. Last class, we have learned about the nutritious food. What is the importance of food? What are the energy giving foods? What are the body building foods? And also, what are the protective foods? Isn't it? And also, we have learned about the food pyramid, isn't right? And I also taught that after taking the food, how it goes into the stomach and get digested, and how digested food converts into the blood, and how the blood gives us energy, and it supplies the blood is supplied to whole body, isn't it? So then only we'll get the energy, huh? Isn't it? Now then only we can be healthy. So that is why I said we have to eat the food which contains all the nutrients, and also explain that if you don't eat the nutritious food, what will happen? Your body will swell, your face will swell. Okay, if the required nutrients are not taken. Okay, and you can't play the games, you can't sit properly, you don't have interest in anything. Okay, and the body growth and the development will be retarded. Okay, and the physical growth, everything will go in a disorder manner. And also I said no, when we are talking about a single tomato, how many ingredients are there, isn't it? Now coming to the next, I also taught you about how is our health described as, isn't it, as a stool. See, the stool has a four legs. At the same time, if energy is not there, can the body stands with the two legs? No. Isn't it? If the protection of the health is not there, it can't stand. If the help of the growth is not there, our health is not uh, good condition, isn't it? So we need all the things like carbohydrates, fats, everything, proteins, vitamins, minerals, everything we need to protect our body, isn't it? And what should we eat? Then we are asking, teacher, you said it is all are the things. Then what we should eat? Yes, I said no. You have to eat the nutritious food like jowar corns, popcorns, boiled and fried ulvalu, horse gram, Bengal gram, chenagalu. I said no. Palila pattilu. Okay, boiled jowar, laddu made of black gram, groundnuts, gingerly oil. Okay, cooked ragi, everything. These all have the good nutrients, isn't it? They're tasty too. Okay, if we should take care that the food we eat is enriched with them. So, intake of fresh and low cost leafy vegetables are also very, very important. And at the same time, vegetables and fruits are also necessary for the physical and the mental development. Yes, now we have learned about it. What type of food do you take very often? Why? What type of food you are taking? You observe children. Observe for 1 month continuously what type of food you are taking. And you can question your mummy also. Mama, why we are taking only this food? Why we are not taking other food? If you take other food, what will happen? If you eat this food, what is going to happen? Okay. Now, what type of food do you eat? Mm, mm, what is this? Migrally, why? Okay, so why very often, I mean, very rarely some food are taken. Why you are taking such foods very rarely, and why we are taking that food? Okay, you can ask a question to your parents when you are eating. See, you gather at the dinner time, lunch time. Okay, if the lunch time is not possible, at least you gather during the dinner time. That time you can ask. Okay, now, junk food. Now, for what is the next topic, children? 4.6. Yes, it's a very, very interesting topic, children. While going home from school, children purchased some eatables from a shop. They purchased some other eatables from another shop and went home eating. Okay, see, you'll come from a long way, isn't it, children? You come from a long way. What your parents will do, they will give you little amount money. Okay, so with that, what you will do while going from home, school to home, you take purchase some eatables from the shop, isn't it? And you go and purchase other eatables from another shop, and you eat and go to the home. See, what are the items generally you buy when you go? Okay, now can you see? Write the names like what you'll buy more. Your parents will not give so much money, isn't it? If they give 5 rupees or 10 rupees, with that, what you may get one biscuit packet, or else you may get one chips packet, or one kurkure, or whatever, some lace, or biscuit packet, something. But I hope children, I biscuit packet is not eaten by you. Most of the children will prefer chips, chocolates, isn't it? Okay. Why do you eat? Because you like it. What do you like to buy and eat? See, generally, what you have to eat. Why do you like them? Because might be. What are the reasons you like them? I said no. You can't. You will not buy the biscuit packet. I sure that you will not buy the biscuit packet. But I can still say that surely you are going to buy the chocolate or else chips, kurkure with colorful packings, everything. అరే మొన్న దట్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్లో వచ్చిందిరా, అది చాలా బాగుందిరా, అట్లాంటిది కొనుక్కుందాం. మా డాడీని అడిగిన, మా మమ్మీని అడిగిన, అది 20 రూపీస్ రా, 40 రూపీస్ రా. Okay, even chocolate also you see. Whatever the advertisement will come in the TV, you'll prefer to buy that one. Suppose not only that thing, children, if you see any ad in the TV, advertisement in the TV, like see, like Horlicks, like Boost, like Bonvita. Okay, these also people will prefer, like milkshakes. These all you people will prefer, either the biscuits or other something. So why you being attracted by them? But one thing children, how many days can these items be stored for? Yes, when you are buying it, you have to check the label on the cover. Whatever it is, children, when you are buying and eating from the shop, surely you have to check the uh, when it was magnified, manufactured, isn't it? And when we can use, that will be data: 3 months, 2 months, 6 months, 4 months, 1 year, 18 months, 12 months. The dates will be given there. So manufacture date will be given there, and also the expiry date also will be given there. So that is very, very, very important when you buy anything from a shop, isn't it? First you have to see that what is the date, manufactured date, and what is the expiry date, isn't it? Now if you have at present also, if you have any wrappers in your home at present, like chocolate wrapper, biscuit wrapper, you check. Once you check, the date will be given. Your sure will be checked. And also some there will be given on the biscuit packets, one black dot, one green dot, one red dot will be given. What is the meaning of dots, children? There, black dot, green dot. Green dot means it is purely vegetarian. Okay, black dot means it will be used something, some fats, isn't it? Suppose it is red color dot, it is veg, non-veg, like this. So some hints will be given that we don't know at all. Simply we'll buy and eat it. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Now see, what are these items? Bread and jam, biscuits with cream biscuits, other biscuits. Okay, plenty of varieties of biscuits in the bakery. And what is this here? This is the burger, and this is the noodles, and these are the different cold drinks, and this is pasta, and this is what is this? Might be vermicelli, biryani, and something. What is that? Yes, and you can see the ice cream, you can see the chips, and here is a pizza. Oh, many of you like all these things, isn't it? Surely. Okay, if you go to movie, immediately want to buy the chips, and you want to buy the cool drink. Okay, nice you will eat. Or else if you go any for shopping, immediately you want to eat ice cream. Okay, or else noodles. Some, okay, these are very, very. I'm not saying it is not um, uh, bad food also, but it should be taken very rarely, because these consist of too much oil, too much fats, too much unhealthy things. Okay, now let's think and say. List out the items which do you not know from the above picture. Do you know the method of preparation of any of the? Yes, surely we know. Nowadays everyone is having oven, Mothers are preparing pizzas, burgers, biscuits, isn't it? Pasta. Many of you prepare pasta at home. Noodles also you are preparing at home. Okay, because of the lockdown, all the many people are trying to prepare new dishes and eat at home, isn't it, children? And how long they can be stored? Suppose you take a biscuit, suppose you take a cool drink, children. How long can it be stored? Is it good for the health? The storing, what is the use of storing? Is it a good things to store? Yes. Now, junk food and cool drinks are harmful to our body. Then, why are they available in the market? Yes, it is a very good question, children. Junk food, cool drinks are harmful to our body. Then, why are they available in the market? Is junk food healthy? That's what is a great question, isn't it, children? Yes, they are not good for the health, but still they are available in the market. And that too costly only, children. That too costly only. Even though we go and buy, because you cry, whatever your parents know that they have the junk food, it is not good for their health. But what they do, because you want to buy, you want to eat it, or else you'll cry, or else you'll make a hell of noise. Okay, they you disturb them. Okay, some or the other way you want to eat it. But what I'm saying you is you eat, but you have to eat it very rarely. Okay, some children are there. Every day they want the chips. Every day they want, even the break times also I'll see many children they'll bring the they'll not bring the biscuit packets. They'll bring the chips. They'll not bring the fruits. They'll bring only the chips. They'll bring the other things. I never see the children bringing chikki or laddu or palli patti, nuvul laddu, boiled things. Nothing they'll bring. They all will bring these only. Most of the times I'll see this. Okay, but how long it will save your health? That is more important, isn't it? Now, coming to the here para I'm going to read. See the cursor. Cold drinks are harmful to our body. Try to know how they spoil your health. It is healthy to drink lemon juice, buttermilk, coconut water, fruit juices, and milk. Machines are used to prepare the items given in the above picture. In order to store them or preserve them for longer duration, chemicals are used. What are used? Chemicals are used. They add salt, chili powder, and sugar to make them tasty. To make them attractive, they add artificial colors. In this process, they lose their natural nutrients. Yes, children. Okay, these are also prepared by the good carbohydrates only. These are also prepared by the proteins only. Then you may ask a question, teacher, why you are saying it is not healthy? Okay, now see biscuits. They are used with the wheat or anything that is having carbohydrate. That is having the carbohydrate, maida. Yeah, carbohydrate is there, or rice flour, whatever it is. But why? Now if you take a cold drink, children, so cool drinks are harmful to our body. Most of the children like to drink the cold drink. Exactly, see, some function is there in a house means at least 2 3 bottles of cold drink should be there in your home. Okay, relatives, you serve one glass for your relative and you people will drink 2 or 3. I know very well, isn't it? So, because every children like the cold drink, the taste is like that. But is it good when you're drinking so much? You have to think whether it is good to your health or not. So, how often you are falling sick because of taking all this junk food? Okay, now try to know how this spoiled your health. You have to find out when you are taking junk food regularly how it is going to spoil your health. See, instead of that, you can drink lemon juice, buttermilk, coconut water, fruit juices, and milk. This is very good, children. Why? Because they are natural things. Lemon, okay, take a lemon, add a little bit of sugar, little salt, pinch of salt, and add water. So healthy lemon juice is prepared. Buttermilk, you can make it sweet buttermilk and spicy buttermilk also. So many ways buttermilks are there in this thing. So buttermilk is also can be used in most of the process. Now here coconut water, that is very natural thing. Fruit juices, take an apple juice, mango juice, okay, sugarcane juice, grape juice, everything. Okay, and milk is also very good. So before going to the bed, After getting from up the bed, drink a glass of milk. How healthy you will be, because milk is called a wholesome food. What the milk is called a wholesome food. Machines are used to prepare the items given in the above picture. Yes, these all are used. I said no oven. Oven is also a machine. Okay, see, not only this, if you go for the big factories, how they are prepared children. To store them, what they will use? They will use the chemicals. They also add salt, chili powder, sugar, and also the chemicals. And also to make attractive, they use the artificial colors also. You can see the different colors: yellow color, orange color, green color. Okay, all the food colors they'll be using. That is not good for our health. In this process, what happens? They loses their nutrients. So that's what I'm telling. And moreover, these are wrapped. Okay, children, these are wrapped and packed in colorful packages. Okay, different colors. Kurkure packet only you see three, four colors will be having red color, green color, and one more orange color. Okay, see, take lace. Lace also many colors. Okay, and if you take the Horlicks only different varieties. Take Bonvita only. Bonvita also chocolate. That this. And if you go for Boost, Boost is the secret of my energy. They say, but what all they are using once you go through on a wrapper chillin, what how much fat is used, how much protein is used, how much carbohydrates are used. So this is your work chillin. You have to find out what all are written in those things. Okay, many people like them as they are tasty, attractive, and supplied in beautiful packets. Most of the people, one more thing, morely influenced children. I said no, in TVs, advertisements will be more by seeing that new advertisement, daddy, I want this. Because, and one more thing, to make you people attractive, what they will use, see, if you buy, one ball is free. If you buy this, you will get one sticker. If you buy this, if you will get one some pom pom. If you buy this, you'll get a nice attractive some uh, something they will make you to attract them to, in order to buy, to get that free thing, you'll buy the product. So you don't think that where it is good or not. So before buying anything, children, you have to think twice, thrice, then you buy. You see the back behind every product will give the full details on the paper, on the that wrapper. Okay, everything will be given. So you people should be very careful by to see this all. Okay, and we did not get the required nutrients from these junk foods. Generally, junk and fried foods contain high calories, so more than salt and oil, which harm our body. So, more than this, most of the high calories carbohydrates are very less, more salt and oil is more. And so, it is better to avoid them rather than suffer from health problems like obesity, as faced by many people all over the world. Yes, children, as the children are more attracted by this junk food nowadays. So what is happening? See, if you're in our class only, you see children. Suppose 45 students are there. Out of the 45 students, very thin are very few. Most of the children are obese only. What I feel is okay. Most of the children, because as they are taking the what they are taking the junk food. So junk food is not at all good for health, children. So now you understood, no? So by this, here the keywords are there. We have completed whole of the lesson. Once we will recall the lesson. Okay, children. Once we will recall the lesson. Here, next. Okay, just a minute, children. Just a minute. Yes, the lesson 4, nutritious food. Okay, Now, look children, you can see the varieties of food here. What you can see? The varieties of food. Okay, some problem, some error is going on here children. Just a minute. I'll show you the PPT here, PowerPoint presentation. Yes. What is this here children? Here is the varieties of food. What is this? You can see the rice, salads, okay, idli, parota, okay, curd, dal, uh, curry, these all, dosha, all types of varieties of food. You can see the varieties of food. And now I said no, the what the food consists of? The food consists of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. What are carbohydrates present? Okay, what are the five types of nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, potato, okay, rajma, millets, okay, everything you can have the carbohydrates, bread, okay, and fats, what is oil, cheese, butter, okay, everything you can see, paneer, these all are the fatty food. And protein, you can see the fish, egg, milk, chicken, meat, beef. These all are the protein food. And where you can find the minerals and vitamins, fruits and vegetables and milk. See, these are the vegetables and these are the fruits and this is the milk. Okay. Now, next, nutrients in food like carbohydrates. What are they? They are why the carbohydrates important because they are energy giving food. So carbohydrate should be in plenty in our body. So where how we get carbohydrates? If you eat the rice based food. Okay, this is a rice, this is a honey, this is a milk, potato, millets the rotis, everything. Okay, nutrients are plenty in this carbohydrates. Next, coming to the next, we can see uh, protein food. What are the protein food? You can see the protein food like here, peas, eggs, almonds, milk, fish, beef, okay, protein, chicken, spinach, okay, spinach. Wait, I'll show you the full picture. Protein food, yes. See, what is this? Prawn, oats, lentils, broccoli, cheese, okay, eggs, peas, paneer, chicken, avocado, beef, okay, spinach, walnut, beans. These are not very heavy in protein. Now, next, you can see the healthy fats. What are the healthy fats? Oil. That also not oil, all the oils. Okay, which oil you have to olive oil and cheese, avocado oil, eggs. Okay, these also from fish oil you can make avocado oil. Okay, ghee and tomato soup, here coconut oil. From this also you can make the oil. Now, let's go to the vitamins. What are the vitamins? We have A vitamin, B1 vitamin, B2 vitamin, B vitamin, B6, B12, C, D, E, K. These are the list of the vitamins. You can see the pictures here very clearly, children. You can see the pictures very clearly so that you can understand more better way. So what A vitamin is presented, what B vitamin is there, what B2 vitamin is there, what B2 vitamin B vitamin is there, B6, B12, this all you can see properly. Okay. Now okay, till one more I will show you. These are all the millets. Okay, these all are the millets and also these all others are the banana, everything which you give the energy. Now here also minerals and the millets, okay, jowar, finger millets, pear millets, foxtail millets, brown top millets, kodo millets, little millets, rose millets, banyan millets, barley, wheat, maize. In Telugu, we can say jonnalu, ragulu, sajjalu, korralu, అండుకొర్రలు, అరికెలు, సామలు, వరిగెలు, ఊదలు, barley, గోధుమలు, మొక్కజొన్నలు. See, you can't find all this in your at home, but at least some you can find, children. And next picture is about the dals. See, శనగపప్పు, మినప్పప్పు, మినుములు, బబ్బర్లు, okay, శనగలు, బఠానీలు, ఎర్రపప్పు, you will say, no, these all are the dals. Rajma, okay, పెసరపప్పు, uh, బెంగాల్ గ్రామ్ పెద్ద పెసర్లు, ఓకేనా, ఇది పెద్ద బెంగాల్ గ్రామ్ అంటే పెద్దగా ఉండే శనగపప్పు అన్నమాట, ఓకేనా. రాగులు, మినుములు, దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ pulses. Okay, this also will give lot of energy to your body. And next is what are the healthy millets? If you take which type of millets, we are thinking that daily eating rice chapati is good for health, but instead of that you can have pearl millets, finger millets, ragulu, okay na, foxtail, little lentils, arikalu, samalu, they are saying no, kodo millet, banyad millet. So these are also very healthy food. Now next, food is divided, I said no, children. Food is divided into three categories. One is energy giving food, one is a protective food, another is a bodybuilding food. That I am going to teach you in the next class. Till that, once you go through the lesson and underline the hard words, tomorrow I'll explain more about this PPT presentation. As the time is more, children. Already it is 28 minutes. So better I'll end this because you'll be bored. Tomorrow's class, I'll show you more things. Only the PPT I'll show, and I'll going to ask a few questions, general questions also. So be prepared for that and get ready. Okay, children, bye. Take care.